Okay, I've got it clamped down just to keep it from helicoptering on us. And I'm just going to drill this 1/4 inch pin out. Okay, I've got them all drilled out and pinned, and I'm just going to trace the profile of the knife onto the handles, and then we'll cut that out on the bandsaw. Alright guys, it's now the next day. These handles have set up. We just went ahead and let them cure overnight. This is where we're at. I think it looks really good. It's turning out pretty nice. So I'm just going to take this over to the bandsaw. Got one pin here that's sticking out pretty good. So rather than grinding that off, I'm just going to take it over to the bandsaw, cut that off, and then we'll get started rough shaping these handles. Okay, so we've got the handle sanded down, looking really good. And the next step is we're just going to put an edge on the blade. And to do that, we're going to use the Wicked Edge. Let's get started. Really happy with how this one turned out. I'm glad we went with these black ash burl scales with the red heart. I think that's a super nice looking combination. Those white liners really make it pop. Really happy with how this turned out. Hoping this will bring a lot of money for the auction. And excuse my orange fingers. I was dyeing up some leather to make a sheath for this knife. Yeah, I may do a follow-up video with let you know how the auction turned out. Hoping it'll raise a lot of money. But I think it looks really nice. Like the thumb jimping, like the handles and the scales. Love the way the finish on the blade turned out. Looks really good. So yeah, this is the sheath, or the beginnings of the sheath for it. I'm not going to record the making of the sheath. To be honest with you, I'm still kind of learning leather work myself, and I don't want to put any, there's enough disinformation on YouTube. I don't want to add to it. So maybe when I get more comfortable with leather craft, I'll do some leather working videos, but for now I'm still kind of learning myself. So this is where we're at so far with the sheath. Thinking it's going to turn out really, really nice. Some black thread. I think it's going to go really good with this knife. Well, that just about wraps it up, guys. I do appreciate you watching, and if you liked what you saw, guys, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're still a very small channel trying to grow, and we'd certainly appreciate it. That's it, guys. We'll see you in the next build. Thanks for watching.